How to delete saved messages on Snapchat. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the camera screen on Snapchat. Here, you need to go to the bottom panel and tap on the chat icon. After that, you can view your chat list with friends on Snapchat. Go to any chat from the list. Now press and hold a message from this chat. Then, tap on Save to Chat as shown. This message will now be saved in this chat. If you want to unsave it, then press and hold it again and tap on Unsave in Chat. You can also save the message by tapping on it once as shown. Now go back to the previous page and tap on your profile at the top left corner. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of the page. In the settings page, scroll down to the privacy control section. Now, tap on Clear Data. Then tap on Clear Conversation. Here, you need to tap on the cross button beside the friend's conversation that you want to delete. Tap on Clear to confirm. This will clear the conversation from your feed. It will not delete any saved or sent messages in your conversation. Following these steps, you can easily delete saved messages on Snapchat.